In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Hostinger Hpanel. Hostinger's Hpanel is the central place where you manage your hosting, domains, emails, websites, and more. Think of it as your website's command center. To get started, head to the Hostinger login page and sign in using your usual credentials or a connected social account. After you log in, you'll land directly in Hpanel, which is your main dashboard. A quick tip: bookmark http://hpanel.hostinger.com so you can return to it in one click. Let's take a quick tour of the main sections you'll see on the left. Home gives you an overview of your active hosting plans, domains, any VPS subscriptions, and important alerts. Great for a quick status check. Websites is where you add new sites, manage existing ones, and access each site's dashboard. Inside that dashboard, you'll find controls for files, databases, SSL, backups, and more. Domains lets you manage DNS records, change name servers, transfer or buy new domains, and adjust settings like WHOIS and privacy. Emails is for creating business mailboxes, setting up forwarding, and connecting your mail to apps like Gmail or Outlook. Billing keeps your payments, invoices, and renewal dates organized and lets you add payment methods. If you use VPS hosting, the VPS or advanced area gives you tools like SSH access, snapshots, and server settings. If you just purchased hosting and haven't set it up yet, go to Home and look for your hosting plan. Click Setup and follow the onboarding wizard. Choose whether you're creating a new website or migrating an existing one. Then select the domain you'll use, or pick a temporary domain if you're not ready to point one yet. Select a server location, sticking with the recommended option is usually fastest, and give it a few minutes to complete. Once it's ready, you can upload site files, install a CMS like WordPress, manage DNS and email, and add more websites if your plan supports it. To add a new site later, go to Websites and choose Add Website. Enter your domain and pick how you want to build it. WordPress, a manual file upload, or the AI website builder. To manage an existing site, open Websites, find your domain, and click Dashboard. From there, you can launch the file manager, view FTP details, manage databases, install or renew SSL, and check resource usage. This interface replaces cPanel at Hostinger, but it offers comparable control in a cleaner layout. When you're ready to upload files, open File Manager in the site's dashboard to drag and drop or edit directly. If you prefer external tools, you can connect via FTP using the credentials shown in the dashboard.